Here's one trap that almost every software engineer falls into. It's easy to think that we're paid to write code because we spend so much time doing it. But the truth of the matter is, that's not what we're paid for at all. Just like every other profession out there, we are paid to solve problems. When it comes time to building software, writing code is almost the last step of a long chain of events that end up creating software. So as an engineer, you should be familiar with the planning part, the designing part, understanding requirements, figuring out any edge cases, different things like that. And then finally, once all of those things are figured out and they're on the table, then that's when you put fingers to the keyboard. It's sort of like if you were a contractor paid by somebody to build their house. You couldn't necessarily call yourself just a painter because that's the very last thing that people see. You put the coat of paint on the walls. Well, there's a lot that leads up to that. You have to lay the foundation, you have to put the framing together, you have to put up the drywall, and then finally, you can add the coat of paint. But you're responsible for all the steps that got you to that point. Just like software engineering, you have to be familiar with all the steps that get you to the point where you're finally writing code.